Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in and your device is updated. This ensures purchases and iCloud work correctly. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi for faster downloads and to avoid data caps. Now open the Apple Books app. You'll see Bookstore and Library tabs. Tap Bookstore, then choose Audiobooks to browse. This step gets you into the catalog immediately, so you can search, preview, and buy without extra setup. You'll pick a title and use Preview to check narrator and sample length before buying. That helps avoid poor matches. After purchase, tap Download to store it locally. Make sure Automatic Downloads is on if you want new purchases across devices. If you have an audiobook file, import via Finder on Mac or add it through the Files app into Books. That makes it appear alongside store purchases. Also, manage storage so large files don't fill your device. You tap Library, choose the audiobook, and press play, then adjust narration speed or set a sleep timer to stop automatically. These controls help you tailor listening to your pace. Make bookmarks to save key moments, and remember downloads are offline copies so you can listen without network. If a book doesn't appear, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in, verify iCloud Book Sync is enabled, and update your OS. This usually restores missing purchases and fixes playback issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.